At Cal-Line, we hold in-person equipment demos showing off the finest tree care equipment in the industry. Featuring products from top brands like Bandit and RC Mowers, our demos inform you on how our equipment maximizes productivity, uptime, and safety. Geared toward tree care professionals, these demos include guided instruction, equipment walkarounds, and hands-on demonstrations of our product's key features and functions. Because we serve multiple applications, not all equipment demos are the same. Each one will vary depending on the presenter, equipment, and the application. However, no matter the circumstances, you can count on us to highlight key features that are tailored to solving your worksite challenges. Engineered for extreme landscapes, our RC mower demos highlight the R52 and R60 models' capability for climbing slopes up to 50 degrees and clearing heavy brush up to 1.5 inches in diameter, as well as showing off how they excel in mitigating wildfires and handling overgrown vegetation. Other key features include remote connectivity up to 1,000 feet, improved first pass yield by over 100%, and much more. With our wood chipper demos, we highlight their ability to make chipping easy, all without compromising on performance. Whether it be their easy-to-access maintenance items, towable and track options, or their optional remote control operation, Bandit chippers were designed to supercharge your production. For example, one feature on our flagship models is the slide box feed system, a mechanism that delivers unmatched pulling and compressing power and generates over 6,000 pounds of combined downward pressure. While our chipper demos deal with limby material and clearing jobs, our stump grinder demos reveal a variety of features that make them highly productive when tackling stubborn stumps. Featuring engine options ranging from 74 to 165 horsepower and rubber tire track or tow-behind models, each grinder comes with easy-to-use controls, maximum visibility of the stump, and high-powered cutter wheels. In addition to offering hand-fed chipper, stump grinder, and robotic mower demos, we've recently upgraded our climbing gear trailer to better support tree care workers within the industry. From saws and pruner kits to carabiners and ropes, we provide top-tier gear designed to keep you safe and efficient on the job. No matter the job or service, you can always count on Cal-Line to deliver best-in-class parts, sales, service, and training, equipping you with the knowledge and skills necessary to take your operation to the next level. For more information on Cal-Line demos, feel free to reach out to one of our 7 full-service locations to schedule your in-person demo today.